What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, in the latest episode of MacG, he was actually advising Musa Mseleku to take a break from Utando Nestembo for his own mental health. The reason why MacG was actually advising Musa Mseleku to take a break, it is because of the health issues that Musa Mseleku is currently facing because of this show. We all know that Musa Mseleku is going through a lot. Because actually MacG was saying that if things continue as they are, then the show will have to be changed to something like Utando Nestroke. This is because of all of the things that Musa Mseleku is going through. But we all know Musa Mseleku and his ego. There is no way that he is going to stop the show. This show is what makes him to be who he is. So the stopping of the show is definitely not going to count. But what might actually work for Musa Mseleku is to actually probably stop marrying more and more wives. That would be a much better solution, at least the way I see it, instead of stopping the show as being suggested by MacG. Other solutions like counseling, therapy, whatever, those just do not work. The reason why I say that he has to stop marrying more wives, it is because it's a challenge, like juggling and trying to keep all of your wives happy and making sure that there is no drama amongst all of them. It's a huge challenge that he is facing, especially with wives like Mangwabe who are continuously threatening to leave. We have Mayeni who actually left. That is all drama that Musa Mseleku has to be juggling and working with. So if he tones down the marrying of more and more wives, at least it might help him mentally. So tell me what you think about what can actually help Musa Mseleku. I'll catch you guys on the